Good morning, guys. So
Morning.
Morning.
morning. So it's which day is today? It's Wednesday. Okay, it's Wednesday, and we are going to somewhere in Brisbane, and
It's Cleveland, Brisbane. So it's halfway to Brisbane from Gold Coast, in the middle towards the beach.
okay, yeah. But we're gonna go and like show you guys around that place, and yeah. First, we're gonna go and have our breakie in somewhere. Where we're gonna have our breakie, kids?
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Yeah.
Hi, big boy. Where are you? Where are we gonna have our breakie? Eddie?
Kudari.
Somewhere? Somewhere. Where there's
On the road.
on the road?
No, he said somewhere that has
Food.
food.
Oh, that sounds good.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy our day. It's sunny and it will be hot later, I think, but I think it will be cloudy too, but we don't know how the weather will be today. So yeah, I'm gonna see you soon. Here is our breakie. I know you're excited, you're hungry. That's some yummy. So which one is cappuccino?
Yeah.
That one and that one.
Okay.
Show my face. Hi. Oh, that explains it.
What you doing? Breaking?
Yes, it's like this.
You too? Breaking? You can't pull it down. Can you? Oh,
Asian music.
you going up? Oh gosh, Isha. Watch out.
Music.
Okay, I go till here.
K-pop
There.
is good music.
How do you feel? Okay, I'm gonna
Isha? Ishi? Ishi? Ishi?
How am I gonna get down now?
Hee hee.
Wait. Look at that flying bird right there. It's wearing a pink top.
Let's get some fruit ones.
That was disgusting behavior. Why would you want?
You can have it.
What are you people doing? What are you people doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm doing the shopping of the cokes.
So guys, we went to Coles to get a little drink for ourselves, and look what I got. I got this loose leaf brewed green iced tea. These all are from Coles, and this is lemon and ginger. And also I got this antioxidant infusion watermelon juice. Yay, it's yummy.
Oh,
And Eddie has his this.
I know what you
This
said.
is Class protein chocolate. Oh, go! Come on.
Views.
We missed it.
Get some views.
We missed it. Come on. Okay, so this product has 30% of protein.
Oh, and this is so healthy. You wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it's so healthy.
No, it's unhealthy.
Oh.
Is it?
Don't listen to our mother.
Does it has zero sugar?
Let's look. 10.6 grams. I'm gonna get you fat by this. Look at Edwin's face. Edwin, Mom, this is copyright music though. Look at Edwin.
Oh, what the?
Eliza, I know you can sing that with each
Trying to keep him warm, trying to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says, she tells him, ooh, love, no one's
Can we just put that in slow mo?
I'm gonna give you.
Now let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West. A sight that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass hit be. The state where you never find a
Bye. 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 Subscribe to me. No, subscribe to me first.
No, me.
I'm the best.
No.
Yes, you are the best.
Rude! Everyone, whoever's watching this video, comment who's better.
Me.
No. At one point, Mum said, say something, and he said, oh, you. I wish you can, wait, you can walk?
Yeah! It would have been.
Oh, we went on to gym before,
Yeah.
Gold Coast. See? You have to go up here.
I want to go there. I'll go to Brisbane.
हाँ तुम ब्रिज के अंदर तुम जाएंगे तुम वहाँ जाए.
So guys, yeah, we are back home and this was a long crazy day and we like went to Vodafone just because in my last few vlogs I have told you guys that I have switched to Vodafone from Telstra to get a better deal. Like the deal was good, but the reception over here
Was like.
lack of reception. There is sometimes no reception at all. So what I'm gonna do with 50 GB of data? So my husband moved to Telstra again yesterday, and for me I went to Telstra today. Like first we have to go to Vodafone to cancel our plane. There was a huge, like they said first that we have to like cancel. We can cancel our plane in 30 days without any charges. But today when we wanted to cancel our plane, it was only a plane. So it was, they said here and there we have to call their main office and something like this and that. But at last it was cancelled for free. Then we went to like back to Telstra. So yeah, when we went there, so I thought, okay, why not I get a new phone? So just because she wanted my phone, like Note 8 I am using since it came out, so 2 years ago.
Wasn't it last year?
No, I think 2 years ago, I don't know, but when the phone came out, Note 8, I pre-ordered Note 8. So I was the first person to get Note 8, I think.
You and Papa.
Yeah. Then, like, she wanted Note 8. So I thought, okay, I'm a fan of notes. I can't live without that pen just because I am so used to in using that pen. Then I thought, okay, let's get Note 9. So today from Telstra I got
Note 9.
yeah, my new Note 9, and I will be handing over my Note 8 to her, and she gonna hand over her S7 Edge to her. Oh good. Okay, let's see and unbox our Note 9.
So yes,
So it is like this.
that's the pen. It's a Bluetooth pen.
Oh yeah, it's a Bluetooth pen, and it says here
A lot of things.
Note 9. I think it's 128 GB.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is 128 GB, and let's open together to see because I haven't
Oh, this SIM.
seen it.
So-
Yeah, SIM card is here, so let's open.
Looks like you're really excited. It's massive than expecting.
So
You push it. She got the color ocean blue. She got it in blue. You have to rip that.
okay,
You find out you cut the phone. That's not how you
okay, finally I managed to open this, but it's the SIM card here. I have 7 days to bring my number from Vodafone to Telstra, so yeah, I will be doing it tonight. And yeah, here is the Galaxy Note 9.
We have to open that first.
It's not the phone yet.
Look at Eliza's face. She's
So-
like,
So this is the box, and here is the actual phone.
yeah, it's just information.
Yay! So
Oh, you step it out. Oh my god, the blue is ugly. Why did you get the blue?
so this is the Note 9.
Is that fingerprint?
Oh my gosh, I love it. Looks so cool. And let's see what comes with this. And okay, the charger and the earphones are here. That what it contains. And the USB adapter is here. I think this one is USB adapter.
Yeah.
Yeah, USB connector.
Yeah, to transfer files.
So yeah, let me just see the earphone.
It's black. Ooh.
Oh,
It's like the
it's-
Note 8 one, isn't it?
yeah, it looks really cool. I think same as Note 8. So this is what it contains, and this is the cable for the charger,
Oh, the black too.
and some spare stuff. Some
I think
what
that-
is this? I think
it's a mask.
kept for this one, no? Like
maybe.
spare ones. Yeah, that's what it has. That's it.
Yeah. So, what are you going to do with this precious thing? No, don't rip it now. So. Ooh.
Okay, let's open and on. I think
It needs to charge, I think. Oh. Woo! It's a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, doesn't it? Oh, and you can see our camera.
don't see our camera, please. Let's see like this. this is how this phone starts, and I have to bring like all my stuffs from Note 8 to Note 9 now. So yeah, I will do this. First I'm gonna charge this phone, and I think there is like some charge, 56% of charge is here already. So this is how this phone starts, and yeah, I think I will like it, and I will set this phone up, and yeah, this will be my phone from now onwards, since like I'm in contract with Telstra for 1 year. Then I can upgrade when the new Note like 10 will come out. I will upgrade it again to Note 10 maybe, but I don't know. I didn't wanted to like upgrade from Note 8 just because I loved it so much, but now I think I will like it Note 9, just because, you know, I have got all the notes. Note 2, 4, 5, 6, we have it all, you name it, we had all notes in our home. So yeah, now my Note 8 will go to her, so I will be resetting it just because she is waiting for Note 8 since so long. So yeah, this was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to subscribe to their channel. I will link it below in the description box, and my husband's channel too. If you are a fan of Bollywood Indian music, he is singing Bollywood songs, so if you love it, you can just go and join his channel too. And yeah, this was it for today, and it's getting so hot here. I have to take off this makeup I have been wearing since this morning, and like, look,
I don't need makeup because my
like
face
I am wearing Fenty Beauty foundation. Of course your voice is very beautiful. So this Fenty Beauty foundation is one of my favorite foundation, which I am wearing since morning. So yeah, I will take this off, I will have shower, then we'll have dinner later. So I will catch you guys all later in my next video. Bye.
Bye.